Hey guys, this is Arsh, and today I wanted to show you what mileage I am getting on my Hyundai Creta 2020. It's an SX version and diesel variant. So I drive around 100 kilometers a day, so 50 kilometers to and 50 kilometers fro. So I've completed more than 10,000 kilometers right now. I'll just show you the MID screen. So if you can see here, it's 10,709 kilometers. So this much kilometers I have done, and I wanted to show you the exact mileage that I am getting right now after 10,000 kilometers, and the first service is due. So this is I've just started for my office, and it's 5 kilometers now, and more 45 kilometers to be done approximately. So it's showing 19 kilometers per liter right now, but definitely it will go up to 23, 24 once I'm done. And more importantly, it shows me more than 25 at most of the times. So let's see what it will show today. And so I'll just cover up continue that clip after it completes 45 kilometers. So Hyundai gives mileage of 20.8 for Creta SX diesel variant, for Creta I'll say, and the vehicle gives way beyond 20.8. So I am worried whether the calculations done for this MID display is whether it's just based on the act pedal which I am pressing, because as you can see here, I'll just show you why I am concerned. Like if you see this, so right now I am pressing an act pedal very gently. Okay, once I press it more, see it comes. It shows like it will give a lesser fuel economy. Now I have removed my leg from this act pedal. Okay, so this is what is happening, and my worry point is whether the Hyundai has done some calculations or made some algorithms based on the like how gently or how much like I am pressing the act pedal. So based on that they have given the display here. So I'm worried for that because see right now if I show you, see now also it is giving me a mileage of something 24.9. So if a company is providing 20.8 and I'm getting a mileage of 24.9, 25, roughly it's showing 25 now. So there's a huge difference. So maybe there's some calculation error or maybe algorithm error. That is what I am assuming. But this is a point of concern. Second thing, at times I am getting mileage about 28. So I don't know how it is possible for a car such big and getting a mileage of 28. I don't know whether it is really possible. I'm yet to check the actual mileage, like from reserve to reserve. I have to check that practically, but that also I'll do. But right now I have been observing this thing, and this is why I have made this video, to just check whether other viewers or the other YouTubers have checked this thing or not. Right now I have completed almost 17.7 kilometers, and it is showing me a mileage of 26.1. Okay, I'm driving at a speed of 80 to 84 roughly. Okay, and I'm just pressing the act pedal very gently. So this is my mantra of getting the mileage such higher, but I don't know whether that mantra is working in practical situation or it is just showing me good mileage. So I'm yet to confirm that. So that's it. Once I've covered 50 kilometers to my office, so I'll just take a screenshot of that also screenshot of that also, and I'll complete the video. Okay. So guys, this is the mileage I am getting. If you can see, just a minute, I'll show you. So guys, this is the mileage I am getting. See if you can see it properly. 28.1, 28.2 I am getting. Now I have almost completed 46 something kilometers, 46.9. Will get completed. 47 will get completed. I'm just reaching my office now. So that's it. This is the mileage I am getting with my Hyundai Creta SX diesel variant, and that is why I'm concerned. So almost 8 kilometers per liter is the difference from what the company is specifying. 7 kilometers, you can say, is the difference from what the company is specifying. So I don't know whether it is an error. It's a big error, like, or whether the car is really giving such a good mileage. I'm not sure whether such a big car can give, but still I assume that it is giving good mileage. Let's see. So guys, that's it. That is what I wanted to show you, and so that's it. Thanks a lot, and if you like the video, just keep liking and give your correct feedback.